Looking for the best lawn mower in 2026? In this video, we're checking out some of the top options for different yard sizes, budgets, and mowing needs, so you can find the right mower for your lawn. Starting at number 1. Greenworks ATV21. The Greenworks ATV self-propelled lawn mower is a powerful and efficient tool designed for homeowners looking to maintain their lawns with ease. This battery-powered mower, made from durable plastic and stainless steel, boasts a cutting width of 21 inches and is capable of mowing up to half an acre on a single charge with its 4.0R battery, although performance may vary depending on grass conditions and operator technique. Weighing 75 pounds, it features a robust brushless motor that ensures quiet operation, enhanced torque, and longevity, all while being 3 times quieter than traditional gas mowers. The mower's self-propelled mechanism, combined with rear-wheel drive and variable speed control, provides excellent traction and maneuverability. For added convenience, it includes high-visibility LED headlights for early morning or late evening mowing sessions and offers a versatile 4-in-1 system that allows for mulching, bagging, side discharge, and turbo leaf pickup. With dimensions of 67.72 inch x 25.63 x 40.95 h, this mower is designed for efficient operation and ease of use. Number 2. Momotion Luber 3AWD 3000H. The Momotion Luber 3AWD 3000H is a high-performance, battery-powered robotic lawn mower designed for optimal lawn care. Featuring Trifusion navigation technology, it utilizes 360 degrees LiDAR, net RTK, and dual-camera AI vision to navigate with precision across various terrains. The mower boasts a cutting width of 40 centimeters and can adjust its cutting height up to 4 inches, making it suitable for different grass types. With its robust off-road capabilities, it can easily handle slopes up to 80% and navigate obstacles using its advanced AI processor, which recognizes over 300 types of objects in real time. The dual high-torque 165W motors ensure efficient cutting performance, while the rechargeable lithium battery allows for up to 175 minutes of operation, covering areas of up to 500 square meters per hour. The intelligent path planning feature optimizes mowing patterns to reduce missed spots and overlaps, supporting the setup of multiple mowing zones and no-go areas for enhanced safety. Included in the package are the Luber 3AWD 3000H mower, an extra set of blades, a charging station, and other essential accessories. Number 3. Scenics 22-inch 201 cubic centimeters. The Scenics gas-powered lawn mower boasts a powerful 201 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine, ensuring efficient operation for your lawn care needs. With a robust stainless steel construction and a striking blue color, this mower weighs 64 pounds and features a cutting width of 22 inches, allowing for quicker mowing. Its 3-in-1 design includes functions for shredding, side feeding, and a rear-mounted grass bag, enhancing its versatility. The lawnmower also offers a 6-position adjustable mowing height, ranging from 1.25 inches to 4 inches, facilitated by a single handle, 4-wheel synchronized height adjustment system to tailor the cut to your lawn's requirements. Measuring 37.4 inch x 23.6 x 15.8 h, it comes with a user-friendly instruction manual for easy installation and is backed by a 2-year warranty for worry-free after-sales service. Number 4. Greenworks 60V21. The Greenworks battery-powered lawn mower is designed to handle large yards with ease, featuring a robust 60V brushless motor and 2 4.0R batteries that provide gas-like power for up to 3/4 of an acre per charge, though performance may vary based on terrain and technique. It boasts effortless self-propelled control, allowing users to tackle slopes and thick grass with rear-wheel drive traction, while adjusting pace on the go for precise handling. This mower operates 3 times quieter than traditional gas mowers, offering instant starts and zero emissions for a peaceful and eco-friendly experience. Additionally, it is equipped with ultra-bright LED headlights for mowing from dawn to dusk and offers 4-in-1 versatility, allowing users to mulch, bag, side discharge, or turbo leaf pickup. The complete ecosystem value includes the mower itself, a battery, a fast charger, a grass bag, and a 4-year warranty for both the tool and the battery. It is also compatible with over 75 other Greenworks 60V tools, enabling users to expand their cordless toolkit efficiently. Number 5. Yarbo Robot Lawn Mower. The Yarbo Robot Lawn Mower is a battery-powered, hands-free solution designed for large properties, capable of managing up to 6.2 acres with a runtime of 120 minutes per charge. Constructed from alloy steel and plastic, this black robotic mower features a 20-inch cutting width and adjustable height settings ranging from 1.2 to 4.0 inches, ensuring a consistently professional cut for a beautifully manicured lawn. Its all-season capabilities allow for effortless module swapping to accommodate lawn mowing, leaf blowing, and snow blowing, although the latter two modules are sold separately. The mower's unique all-terrain patented tracks enable it to navigate challenging landscapes, including hills with slopes up to 70%, making it suitable for uneven ground and steep inclines where other robot mowers may struggle. The product is shipped in 4 separate boxes, and due to its weight of approximately 200 pounds, assembly is recommended to be conducted by 2 adults. For optimal installation, a 120 degrees unobstructed view of the sky is required for the data center set, and watching the installation video beforehand can facilitate a smoother setup process. So, which lawn mower is right for you? Check the product links in the video description to learn more and find the latest buying options. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful product reviews.